Please come with me. This is the computer lab of RL Academy. We have symbols for excellence, that is the Sundar Pichai pick for the students for getting motivations and get their excellence from their vision. And he is Iqbal sir, our computer teacher. Please come with me, sir. He is your computer teacher, इकबाल सर.
आपका नाम?
इकबाल अफजल.
क्वालिफिकेशन?
या BCA.
So now we are towards the next. Now we are towards the math lab. Math lab is situated just next to the staff room. Please come with me. He is Kaushal Singh sir for our math teacher, and he is the Rajesh Yadav sir for math teacher. Students of our school is in the safe hand of both with respect of the mathematics.
अपना नाम और क्वालिफिकेशन?
Myself is Kaushal Kumar Singh. My education BSc and belong to Balia.
BSc B.Ed ना?
Yeah.
कुछ सामान के बारे में बताइए.
Please sir, assist us for the items regarding the mathematics.
This is the trapezium and this is the sector of triangle. So, add and count number, graphical, Cartesian plane, circle, trapezium, hexagon, rectangle, pentagon, star, semicircle, parallelogram, nonagon, square, and parallel.
And the room size is the 20-25. That is for the math lab. So thank you sir. We are towards the next area. Now we are entering toward the library of the school. Please come with me sir. This is the library of RL Academy. This is the area for newspaper reading, the podium for the newspaper reading for school students as well as the teachers who getting the basic information nationwide, international level. This is the book shelf, the political map for world and India, book shelf for the English. Now this is the book shelf for the science students. We have a good range of science books for the students as a reading corner. Mathematics as well as the science book shelf. And this is the area for the reading assigned for the students. We are providing the locker for the students who keep their valuable item. Likewise, if rupees or any important items they have, they put there and continue their study. Now, we will the library attendant of this school, Mr. Mukesh Pandey. He is the library attendant of the school, Mr. Mukesh Pandey.
जी मैं मुकेश पांडे, लाइब्रेरी अटेंडेंट.
Please provide the basic information. This is the basic informations for library, stock register, issue register for the students. We were issuing the book in the previous session because due to the COVID pandemic, students are yet to their home and not coming in the school. Please come with me. This is the washing area for library. Students put their hands for cleaning. Please come with me, sir. This is the biology lab of school. Please come with me, sir. This is the biology lab, and these items belong from the biology. That is the virtual model of the lungs. Similarly, that is the model of plant cell as well as the animal cell. This is the model of the human ear, and that represent the human nervous system including cranial nerves, dissection box, the holding flask, wax tray is here. That is the light microscope as well as the compound microscope for the students. These are the body agent bottles. This is the permanent slide, and these are the charts for reference of the students. This is the plastic models of the specimen belonging from different phylums, different classes. This is the sample model of the human heart. That is the digital weighing machine for the measurement of the salts during their experiment. This is the model of human eye, and this is the model prepared by the students of the school. That is the representation of the cell. This is made by the school students during their class activity. These are the measuring flasks, beakers, that is translational jar, bell jar, and that is the tap. We have the proper supply of water. These taps. These are the specimens of monocots, dicots, as well as the chemicals regarding to the biology practical. And he is the biology teacher of his school, Mr. Akhilesh Kushwaha. These chemicals waiting for their students because during COVID period, students are yet at their home. This is the human skeletal system for providing the basic informations for human skeletal system. That is the blackboard assigned for the teachers for displaying all the requirements. This is the storage. This is the storage almirah for biology lab. And all the labs, all the area is under surveillance of the CCTV for the safety of students, for the protection of the system also. The size of the lab is the 20 into 30, that is the well ventilated, well aerated and well lighted area. Thank you.
Trist.
Please come with me in the physics lab. This is the physics lab of school, and these items assigned for the students, and that items are basically made for the senior classes, and students are not coming to the school, and after getting affiliation, these items will be utilized by the students. That is the blackboard for the demonstration of the content by the physics teacher as well as the physics demonstrator. The size of this lab is also 20 into 30. This is properly ventilated, well aerated, and he is the physics teacher of the school, Mr. Akhilesh Giri sir.
Yes, sir, I am Akhilesh Giri in MSc BA. This apparatus is optical wedge and optical needles and lens and mirror. Yes. This is glass plate, glass slab. Okay. This is the brights. This is Doppler microscope, cardboard, and this photometer, deflecting compass,
Vernier calipers,
spring balance, screw gauge, magnet. This is rectangular magnet, bar magnet, and this is the load. The 500 gram, and this is parallelogram apparatus, and this elements of parallelogram apparatus, and also this is electric experiment.
This is the store box for the physics items. The rest of the items are kept here for future. And let item demonstrated by the physics teacher.
This is electric element like to ammeter and galvanometer, voltmeter, rheostat, Ohm's law apparatus, resistance box, and battery. And this is a phonometer. This is potentiometer, and also this phonometer again apparatus, and this is sonometer apparatus which is used in materials, and also this is the transformer, and this is injection, and EMP junction, battery eliminator, and meter bridge. This is meter bridge. This is used in higher classes, and
these items are being used by the students of the senior section. After getting affiliation, these items will be used by the students of senior classes. As well as attached with the chemistry lab. This is our chemistry lab. Please come with me. This is the chemistry lab. This is the digital weighing machine. This is the pipette holder. Well organized sink, burette stand, the bottles. These are the chemicals utilized during the chemistry practical. This is the measuring flask, test tube stands, spirit lamp. All the articles which are being utilized by the students during their chemistry practical. Beaker, measuring cylinder, porcelain boxes, similarly mortar and pestles. These are the acids: concentrated nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, acetones. Similarly, Winchester bottle, that is the KNO4 solution. That is the keeps operators for the production of the hydrogen sulfide gas in the laboratory. Distilled water storehouse for storing Almira for the chemistry lab. All the additional item is kept here. The blackboard for the display all the items for the practical by the chemistry teacher as well as the lab attendant. The size of the lab is the 20 into 30. Now we are in the boys washroom area for the senior section. Please come with me. This is the washing bay, the hand wash area, towel area, basin area. The proper supply of water is here. This is the urinals guarded by the laminates. This is the toilet section. This is also well ventilated. This area is under the proper lighting and aerated area and by the CCTV surveillance. For the boys, second area, we have also the another set of the basin area, hand wash area. Similarly, the toilet area for the boys. We have two sets for the boys washroom area and boys washing area. Thank you. Now, this area is properly cleaned, regularly to be cleaned and regularly monitored by the secretary in charge of the school organization. The corridor of lab area is also under the CCTV surveillance because the students or anybody who enter in the washroom area, who enter in the lab area,